Hello, so today I am going to demonstrate how to solve this error 500 internal server error. You can see the result here as XUS error request failed with status code 500. So what's the root reason of this error? Main reason is reason is that you are having some problem your backend is expecting the payload in someone else way and you are sending it in another way. Let's dissect it. So I have my API being set up. I will not waste time in creating an API. In this, like, it is accepting an object having these three attributes. Okay, so and let's have our front end. Okay, so what I will do is I will just quickly create three fields. What are we expecting in our backend? A teacher name, main subject, and secondary subject. Teacher name, input, place. So that I know where to put which attribute. Okay, main sub secondary sub, right? Let's quickly create three like name these use states. These are the use states used to maintain the states of these three inputs. Change on change I will set name as e dot target dot value, and on change I will name it as set primary subject, and on change, sorry, on change I will set it as secondary subject e dot target dot value. Okay, all right, we have three values, and let me create a button first. I will name it as C, and on clicking let me create a function first called add teacher. Right. Okay, in try I will create a post request. Wait, XUS method will be post, and base URL will be, let's quickly copy HTTP. I just every time I just forget this thing. See, localhost 8000 API, and URL will be what's endpoint we are hitting is add teacher, and one thing more, I added the timetable, prepended the timetable in the server.js file, so we will use timetable and then add teacher. Okay, and data. What will be the data? Data will be, no, this is the point where where usually we have a problem in the payload. So let me just I teacher name means it is secondary subject. Teacher name main subject secondary subject. Now the backend is expecting the data in this format. Okay, and let me just first send the name, then the primary subject, then the secondary subject. Okay, let me just beautify it a bit, clear it a bit. So instead of sending this variable, let me send another object, you know, to demonstrate the problem in a real clear way. Secondary object like this. So what happened? Let's see. Let me add alert. If it goes right, we will alert gone right. If it goes unexpected, we will console the error. All right. So let's okay. I have teacher name. Teacher name is Jack. Main subject is let's say science. Primary subject is maths. Okay. Okay. Just forget to add on click event on button click on click. We say add teacher. Let's say what just happens here now. Gone right. The problem will not be in this scenario. Like it will save this. Like if you say so, gone right, and if you, it will save it, and then when you go to the database, check whether it is like saved or not. You will see that Jack and size are saved, and the secondary subject we are having an error in secondary subject, so different data in secondary subject, so it will not be saved. That not much of an error, but let's see if we are getting our expected error or not. To get our expected error, we will be saving like when I will have to change the data type of the input variable. Like right now it's a value and the backend is also expecting a value. But what if I change it into an object? Now it is an object. Let's see it now. Let's see if it can save it or not. You can see that it is given an error, post internal server error, because now we have changed the data type of our payload. Now if we just remove it back and also bring it to our original name, we will surely be saving our database. Like go to this and gone right. Let's check our MySQL. You can see all of the three values are being saved in the database. So mostly the problem arises when we just change the payload and it is not expected as it should be according to the to our according to what is the design and what is expected of the backend. So that's a problem, that's an issue, and there's a solution in front of you. Thank you.